At Virtual SRMUN, delegates have the option of using a virtual background on Zoom. The virtual background must be the SRMUN Virtual Background. From the SRMUN.org homepage, go to Delegate Preparation and select Virtual Conference. In the Materials and Documents section, you'll find the SRMUN Zoom Virtual Background link. Click on it. You can save the image to your computer or device. Next, open the Zoom desktop application. Go to zoom.us, click Preferences, then click Background and Filters, and click Add Virtual Background Image. Select the SRMUN Virtual Background file from wherever you had it saved. And just like that, you've added the SRMUN Virtual Background to your Zoom account. If you're already in your Zoom committee meeting room, click on the little arrow next to Stop Video and select Choose Virtual Background and follow the same upload steps. From a mobile device, tap More, then press Virtual Background. Press the plus sign and add the SRMUN Virtual Background from your photo album. Once again, if you want to use a virtual background, it must be the SRMUN Virtual Background and not any other non-SRMUN approved backgrounds. If you choose not to use a virtual background and want to use your normal background surroundings, you have that right, and that is up to you. For more about Zoom's virtual background, click on the zoom.us link within the YouTube video description area or visit support.zoom.us and type virtual background.